to my channel. So for today's video, we are gonna go ahead and do the wet look that I have been seeing all over the gram and on YouTube, and just watching these videos, I'm like, this is a perfect style for summertime. But I also feel like I've been doing this style quite a few times already, because I tend to get my hair slicked back into a low ponytail from time to time, and it's pretty much the same method as the wet look. I'm just not putting my hair into a ponytail. So hopefully this is easy and I can maneuver this and make it look the way I want it to. As you guys know, 4C hair is totally different. It does whatever it wants to do. It may look right today, but tomorrow can be completely different. So we'll see. So for today's style, I'm going to be using my Eco Styler gel. I'm taking it all the way back in the argan oil flavor. Like, what? Am I eating this? In argan oil, whatever. I don't know. But this is what it looks like. I'm bringing this bad boy back mainly because I don't have enough of my Wetline Extreme Gel. I have like this much left, just enough for edges. So we're gonna bring this goodie back right here. I just co-washed my hair with the Eden Body Works Coconut Shea Co-Wash. I actually did not even detangle or anything yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take this off, wet my hair. I'm gonna try to get it back to soaking wet. Wet my hair and detangle with my favorite detangler brush. Y'all know I use this all the time. And I'm going to go ahead with my Camille Rose Coconut Water Leave-In Conditioner as I detangle, because it's my new favorite leave-in. So that soaked up a lot of the water. So I'm going to separate my hair into like 3 sections this time. I'm going to just do like the front, one section, middle, and then the back. My hair is all nice and soft. Go me, ew. And now I just got this part left out here. Let me just spray it with some water, get it nice and wet. So kind of like a wash and go. You want your hair to be soaking wet for this, like really wet for this. It's called the wet look. So like, what else you gonna do? Now I'm going to take a good amount of the gel, like a real good amount of gel, and just start coating the roots first and then working my way down to the ends. So the difference of this and a wash and go is I'm not concentrating so much on my ends like I would, or like even separating my ends as much, or like raking it through so much. I'm really just trying to get that gel to go from root to end. I'm raking just a little bit, just so it's not super clumpy. But again, it's not like a big deal if it is. Yep, this is exactly like when I do my slick ponytail. I'm just not putting it into ponytail. Put a little bit more on the roots here. Ooh, goodness. Wash day gonna be funny with all this gel in my hair. Lord have mercy. Alright, so that's one section down. 2 more to go. I'm actually gonna do 2. I'm gonna take my little hard brush and just brush it down a bit. I do this for the sleek ponytail because I want, you know, my hair to be slicked back. I'm not gonna do it as much as I would for the sleek ponytail though. Just enough to get it to lay down a little flatter. All right, I'm gonna just do the same thing for the next 2 sections.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your parts, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no gloves.
Alright guys, I am finished with this wet look and I'm really feeling the wet look, and it turns out I've been doing this the whole time because I just usually slick it back into a ponytail and have like the defined like little bun there, you know. So I could do this wet look all summer. Like, this is really nice. I don't know if y'all can really see. Like, it definitely looks like my dreams have come true, and I just seem like this mermaid who came out of the water all fresh, and my hair is just like so yeah, I am going to sit under the dryer for a little bit just so that it's not like matted to my head as it dries tonight, and then I will show you guys what it looks like tomorrow morning once it's completely dry. So see y'all in a little bit. All right guys, so I just wanted to jump on here really quick to show you guys that I actually am not sitting under the dryer. I went ahead and put my scarf on, and I'm just gonna leave this on for the night. I also actually put a little bit more gel on the sides and brushed it down a little bit more just to get it to lay a little flatter. Let me show you guys. So the plan is to like kind of fluff it up a little bit more in the morning. It's clearly like a lot flatter on my head right now because I had the scarf on, but it was like out a little bit too much, which didn't look like a wet look to me. Like, you know, the wet look is when you just like coming out of the pool or something and your hair just like coming down, you know, and it just wasn't looking like that to me. So I added a little bit more gel, I brushed it down, still got like the little wavy look going on here, and then I thought it would just be better to put the scarf on rather than to sit under the dryer. Yeah, so I got my scarf here. I need a new scarf, you guys, because I don't really like the scarf anymore. But it's a regular, like, big square scarf, you see. So I'm just gonna like fold it in half. Well, not in half, but like diagonally. Like, y'all know how to fold the scarf, but you know, you put the two corners together and make it into a big triangle as such. And then I'm just going to put it over my head nice and tight, but not too tight where it hurt my head, y'all know. So I'm just making sure, and it already is pushed back because it's been on my head for a little while now, but I'm just making sure my hair is nice and pushed back over my ears because I don't like my scarf on top of my ears. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just crisscross underneath, make sure no hair is there getting caught, and then tie it up in the front, and that is it. I'm gonna just go in and make sure my hair isn't caught, and it's not. Okay, and there we go. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm probably gonna put a bonnet on top just to protect this end right here in case my scarf try to do some crazy stuff tonight. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that really quickly because I definitely changed up my whole mind about sitting under the dryer. All right, now I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, good morning, you guys. It is the next morning, so we are gonna take this down. I got a little gel with me just in case I need it, with my brush and my edge control brush, you know, and my bonnet on like I told y'all. Okay, slick back, hair in the back. All right, so it is still so wet. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna, I don't even need any gel to get this together. I'm just gonna pick it out a little bit along the sides so you can see that I actually have hair in the front, you know. I don't look like no man. I'll put like a little tiny bit of gel right here. If I was still a headband girl, I'd probably put a headband on, but I'm not. So I'm just having difficulties with like this piece right here. Like, doesn't want to do what I want it to do. All right, so I'm actually not gonna play around with it too much because I don't want it to frizz up on me because it's still very wet. But here we go. Here is the wet look on short 4C natural hair. What do you guys think? So, I mean, it can be done. You know, it's not as like, you know, with the hang time, like the long natural hair girls, but I like it. And it's super easy. It didn't take me long at all. It's really the same as doing the sleek, you know, like ponytail going down. Only difference is you're not going to put a ponytail in. If you want a ponytail, you just like bring it back, put a ponytail, boom, you all set. So, yeah. I definitely like it. It's definitely a nice little summertime style. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button with the notification so you can be notified every time I make a new video. Hit that thumbs up button to show that you like this video, and I will see you guys for the next one. Bye.